All right, welcome back. We have another interesting discussion that some persons have asked about on the topic of cryptocurrency. Now, a lot of people, when they want to first get started with crypto, they don't know how to start. They don't even know what cryptocurrency is. So first, we need to define what exactly is cryptocurrency. You may have heard of Bitcoin. There are many other cryptocurrencies apart from Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the first one that was created. And this was created on a ledger on the blockchain. And basically, what the blockchain is, it's a group of computers on a network, the internet, which communicate with each other to verify transactions which happen. That's the basic breakdown. So before I got started, when I was about 26, before I started looking into the crypto market, I used to wonder, how is it that value was created from just like thin air? But in fact, it's not thin air, because to create the tokens, value must have been placed on them somehow. So right now, if you want to, you can create your own cryptocurrency, but you need to put a certain price point on each token that you're going to offer for sale. Right? And a lot of people mistake the sale of crypto for securities, as which happens with stock. It's a lot different, which is why the SEC is suing XRP. Anyway, we're not going to get into all that. That's a little bit more technical. Then you can go into the cases of mining cryptocurrency, which is having like a computer basically, which helps other computers verify the transactions. That requires a lot of computational power and it uses a lot of electricity. So recently I have invested in 4 crypto mining machines, and I'm currently mining Dogecoin and Litecoin. However, because of electricity rates, it is not profitable at the moment. However, if the price of Dogecoin does increase, then it will obviously turn off some profit. So it's all very subjective. Best mining machines that you would get or you should get are those which are not outdated, but the newer models, which are quite expensive. So I personally cannot recommend crypto mining at this time in 2024, unless you have a lot of capital to invest in it and you're going to stick with it for the long run. Now, a lot of persons have been talking about the 2024 bull run. Don't get too excited, because as we know, crypto markets are very volatile. Now, one strategy, or the strategy that I've been using, is called dollar cost averaging, DCA for short. Now, with dollar cost averaging, if you look at the cryptocurrency market charts, let's look at Bitcoin, for example. We see where the value has been steadily increasing over the years. So if you were to buy Bitcoin at a certain price point, or a certain time, sorry, if you were to buy Bitcoin at a certain time every month, for example, so let's say you get your monthly paycheck and you buy Bitcoin on the 26th of the month. Next month, 26th, you buy a certain amount. So for example, let's just say $1,000 US, and $1,000 US, and $1,000 US. Over time, you'd have accumulated quite a nice nest egg, which would have increased in value using the dollar cost average method. All right, so that's one such method, that one of many methods which crypto investors use. I personally like dollar cost averaging, because it's like, instead of putting the money into a savings account, it's like a crypto savings account with the intention of it going up in value over time. All right. A lot of people say, yeah, the crypto market is very volatile. Like my financial advisor I had a sit down with him, and he was saying, don't tell me anything about crypto because it's too volatile. I would never recommend it. I highly recommend stocks over crypto. Stock market is down right now. So I was saying to him, like, how can you recommend the stock market when it's down? It's down even worse than crypto. And he was like, yeah, but crypto can go down to zero and so on. And my opinion on that is, yes, crypto can crash, can go down to zero. Highly unlikely that it's going to crash and go down to zero, because of who is invested, the whales which are invested, and also institutions have started to become invested in crypto. All right. BlackRock has been buying up crypto a lot recently. So if you know about institutional adoption, then you'll know that like it's going to be around for a while, for longer than you and I. But let's just say worst case scenario is it goes to zero. Then so what? If you're a young person, especially if you're in your 20s, and you invest a certain amount of your hard-earned money every month into crypto, and it does go to zero, you can always start over. Remember, it's very volatile, so it fluctuates. What if it moons and spikes and goes through the roof? That is generational wealth creation right there. So the risk reward, is it worth it? I would say potentially Yes, actually. So don't, first of all, don't fall for the fear of missing out, FOMO. Um, do what you think, do your own research, obviously, and do what you think is best in terms of your own personal investment. And of course, trade safely. And do not trade with people who claim to can turn over like thousands of percent in minutes. Don't fall for scams. All right. Be smart when you're doing your investing. Good luck. You can do it. All the best.